Today we will learn what resto means in Spanish. Hi everyone, the Spanish word of the day is resto. Resto. This is a Spanish noun and it means rest or something that remains. Resto is a masculine noun, so you can say el resto or un resto. The plural form is los restos or unos restos. Now let's see a few examples using resto. ¿Dónde está el resto del pastel? ¿Dónde está el resto del pastel? Someone ate it all. No me cuentes el resto de la película. No me cuentes el resto de la película. No spoilers. Dime el resto de la historia. Dime el resto de la historia. Hay muchos restos de comida en el refrigerador. Hay muchos restos de comida en el refrigerador. Estos son los restos de una civilización antigua. Estos son los restos de una civilización antigua. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Leave more examples down below using resto. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!